Hey everybody, thanks for taking the time to check out Guaranty's website. My name is Jason.Fairchild. Today we're going to go over a 2018 Forest River Rockwood. It's an A214 HW high wall. We're going to show you why it's a high wall when we go inside, and we'll finish off with going over the exterior. Follow me inside, guys. Okay, here we are on the inside of this trailer, and there's something that makes this A-frame unique to most other A-frames, and it's the fact that it gets you a shower and a toilet inside. So come on back here. You can see me standing inside pretending to shower off, and our toilet's right here. And this all collapses down and folds down with the A-frame when it's in travel mode. Across from your bathroom, you have a sink, kind of like what you'd find in a lot of B vans. Really cool. And then you also have a flush mounted stovetop here, 3-burner. You can use this to prep when you're preparing your meals. Down below we've got a fridge and a small freezer. I'm kind of in the way here. And then next to that we've got some storage. And our propane furnace is down below here. We've also got a speaker for our sound system across from us, built in there. Here's our little dinette, booth dinette. This can also make down into a sleeping area. But our main bed is up front here. It's got another speaker built in on the far side of the bed there. This rack here is what mounts above the shower, and there's a curtain that comes with it, and also this is storage that comes with it. You can hang this and use it for paper plates and other things above the stove. This here is your removable shore cord. So they've went to removable on a lot of RVs because people will steal them and strip the copper out. So it just plugs in to your trailer and plugs in to the outlet in the park. Also, we provide an adapter for 110 that comes with this, so if you want to plug it in at home, you can do that. Just set that there. We've got some storage on the wall here. We've got some nice blinds here to keep the light out if we want it out, and if we don't, we've got a great view out the back there. A light here. This here is a place to hang clothes and store, because that's really at a premium in a trailer this size. So anywhere you can hang stuff and put stuff, they've tried to do that for you. Above your head there we've got a nice vent fan to keep it smelling fresh and clean in here. We've got lots of curtains, lots of windows to let in light and fresh air in this trailer. Across from the dinette, this is a barbecue here that comes with the trailer. It mounts actually on the outside. This is all your paperwork really that comes with your trailer, the brochures, etc. Down below here we've got a microwave, 110 outlet, and storage. There's also a little light there for at night. Now, if we move outside, we'll go over the features outside. See, we've got a nice grab handle on the way out. Got an outside speaker here. This is a lock for locking the trailer when it's in the down mode. 110 outlet. And this is the electric motor that will help lift the front up. So this is where that barbecue mounts. Also, there's a table that can mount there. And for the barbecue, or really any other propane device, you can use this. This will run off your onboard propane. It's kind of nice to have. Again, in a trailer this size, your storage is at a premium. You don't want to be bringing extra propane when you've got it on board already. Really, really good storage here. This is underneath the bed. And a lot of the accessories are under there. Your shower curtain, a battery box, the table that mounts on the outside here. If I can grab it, it slides on right here on this bracket and offers you a nice prep space. We'll continue around here. We've got our full-size spare tire with a nice cover, LED lights. I love this feature here. In the storage, they've given you a pull-out tray. So instead of having to reach in and dig out all your stuff, you can just pull it out to you. It pins in place, so it's not bouncing around while you're going down the road. This here is the back of your heat pump. That will heat and cool this trailer. This here is the motor that button on the other side will control to help lift and lower the trailer. This is your potable water fill here. Your city water connection, and your cable. You do have a fresh water drain down there. If you wanted to let all the water out, you could open that up and let the water out. This is where your power cord connects, right here. And this is your water heater. Furnace exhaust does get hot, just want to let you know. Hot and cold outside shower. And this is your gray water. So there is a cassette on the other side that catches your sewer, so I will show you that and how you dump that. But this is where your gray water, your sink water would come out here. You would catch it in a bucket or a basin and take that over to the dump station and dispose of that properly. This here is the back of the refrigerator. Really, it's just for technicians. This is the locking door. There's one on each side, excuse me, there's one on each side of this trailer, and this top area also can be locked. So it's very secure and it's separated. You can store multiple things in here. So you could put stuff on top, close this down, and then latch it and lock it. That would be one way of securing items. You also have another pull-out tray here in the front that will go out dual directions. It's very large. You can pull it all the way out if you want. Store your stuff in there. Put it back in place and lock this door as well. So when you go to dump your sewer in this particular trailer, you're going to take this cassette, you're going to use the wheels, and you're going to roll it right over to the dump station and dump it there, disposing of it properly. Really pretty simple, pretty clean, pretty easy. It's going to hold probably just about one night's worth of use. So again, this is a 2018 Forest River Rockwood. It's an A214 HW, that stands for high wall. My name is Jason.Fairchild. You can reach me directly at 541-228-6057. Thanks for taking the time to look at Guaranty's website. I really appreciate it. Have a great day.